Yeah, I'm gonna tighten this. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that up. I'm gonna try that, then I gotta check these fuses out. I'm gonna test the fuses. I think one is bad. I think this one's bad. So I'm gonna test it, replace it, along with making sure those is tight, and then see what's up. Damn. So this pen got 7 different things. Something like that. But 1 and 2 is 85 and 86. So it's not clicking. If I press boost, will it click? It's not clicking. I just grabbed another fuse so I can test it. Now if we put this in 86, it shouldn't click until we press boost. Now